Hi there, let's walk you through the simple process of connecting the Google Search Console insight with StoreSEO app within your Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify store and head over to the StoreSEO Analytics section. Once there, you'll spot the Connect to Google Analytics button. Go ahead and click it. A series of setup options will appear. Start by clicking Sign In Now. This will redirect you to Google's Sign In page, where you can select the account you want to use. Follow the prompts to verify your account, then click Link Now and allow to grant the required permissions. To get those Google Search Console insights, just head over to the Analytics tab in your StoreSEO dashboard, where you can quickly spot traffic spikes in the overview, identify which products are trending in the Your Content section, and see exactly which search terms and countries are driving your growth. Give it a try and enjoy having all your key insights in one convenient place. If you found this video helpful, do like, comment, and subscribe to get more videos. Thank you so much for watching.